Okay, it's recording. Alright. Here's a story, another story. So here's another actual story. Like there was a tornado. And you could see. So I've made this actual thing over there. I don't know. Right, let's use it. Somewhere in Odessa, in a nice city near Black Sea, in Ukraine. Okay. Oh wait. Kate, recording. Let's watch. Alright, let's put here a TV. Watching some TV. You can see we can put a character here. Do's the hardest. This. I'll put you here right now. That work was very, very awesome. Finally, now I can have all the time of the day to watch my favorite TV show. Let's just see what's on TV. I don't know. Or, I don't know. Come on, I have to sit down. I'm gonna go watch some TV while the siren will actually not turn on because of some random natural disasters. Shh. What is going on? Is it going to be news? All right. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the news today. Breaking news. We're having news today. And I'm here with Michaela. She's good, you can see. I'm here with her, with this red dress girl. So here's Steve here. What? News again? Why? Maybe because of the war. And guys, looks like there's a problem. A natural disaster is coming to a city. Yeah, it's a random apocalypse of polar. It's an apocalypse. Apocalypse of train tornado. A locomotive tornado is coming towards our city, and you probably die. She's right, and you need to be very careful. And we need to evacuate the survivors on a cruise ship. And we'll get the apartment. All survivors must be evacuated. Hey, you boring. Psh. Hey, kid, did you break the TV again? Did you broke the TV? Did I break the TV again? Hey, it must be some kind of a tornado coming towards the city. Why is there something we have to do? There's a tornado coming. Tornado's coming. Everyone get inside your house. Tornado's coming. Ah! Ah!
Специалист.
А?
Давай, до свидания. Я рад был тебя видеть. Как? Все в порядке у тебя, кот?
Точно, точно, точно.
Ну давай.
Ah! Close. Ah! Get to the port. Okay. The siren again. Come on, let's get out of here. Come on, I need to get out of here. Oh snap, it's locked. Come on, stupid car, start. Finally, it's working. Come on. Everyone got heated by a tornado. Look out. Come on, I need to get out of here. It looks like there's a void of tornadoes coming. Come on, come on. Get out of here. Then he went along the road, but suddenly... Look out of the way! Hey! No! It's road, it's blocked my way. Looks like we're coming to the tram tracks. Maybe the tram will help me out. Come on, I got no that. Come on, I got no that. Come on. Finally! I can't drive this car anymore. We're running out of fuel. A tornado is getting closer. Finally, there it is. Come on. No. There's a... Come on, come on. Faster, faster. Behind the white line. I'll do that. Come on. But suddenly, it was too late. I'm gonna jump out of there. It's coming. A few hours later, a tornado stopped. Ugh. Everyone died. And then, by the way, that guy survived. The end.